Hello, my name is Efrain Avendaño. I am from San Carlos. San Carlos is a municipality of Córdoba. My language is Spanish. I am 20 years old. I am psychology student at UNAD. These are my activities on a typical day. First, I head up at 6 a.m. I take a shower and then I have cooked eggs for breakfast. We cook banana and coffee with milk. Then at 7 a.m. I water the plants. I give corn to the chickens. After that at 8:13 a.m. I collect the leaves from the patio and the kiosks. 10 and 10 a.m. I do the housework, such as washing dishes, washing the bathroom, tidying the rooms, etc. After that I have lunch at 12:13 p.m. and then take a nap. At 2 p.m. I go to dance school. Then I come home at 4 p.m. I take a shower and then I turn on my laptop to study the UNAD course. At 6:13 p.m. I take a break to water the plants. 10 and 7 p.m. a sandwich or simply an hot meal for dinner. And at 7:20 p.m. I resume my activities at UNAD until 10 p.m. Finally, sometimes I read books until 12 p.m. Otherwise I go to bed at 11 p.m. That's my daily routine on a normal day. Thank you.